Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kyla here. If you're new, welcome to the fam, join the fam. And if you're a returning person, welcome back. It's all love, I love that. And yeah, in today's video, we're gonna talk about basically the hair products that you need if your hair has been going through some heat damage, you've been maybe coloring it, like doing all that stuff. Like basically this is the products that like I swear by, that when my hair was in tough times, it got my hair through it. And I'm gonna be going through the shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, styling products, anything that I use to like basically get my hair back to its healthiest point. These are the products that like I swear by that are gonna really show you a lot of difference in your hair when you start using them. So let's not waste time and let's get into the video. So boom, here we go with the first product. It is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And it is made to cleanse and nourish natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. And it is sulfate free and color safe. So get a good look at it, the Shea Moisture brand. For me, this is something that I use like way back in the gap, like right when I was transitioning. This is like the first shampoo that I genuinely really liked for like natural hair. Well, one, my hair is like really dry, like in general, or like when it's like not really dry in general, like when it's healthy, it's like it is on the drier side, but it can be like, you know, it might need a little pick me up, but it was never that bad. But like whenever, especially when I was transitioning or when I had like color in my hair and like my hair was dry from that, this was the only thing I was working, because every other shampoo like seemed to like strip the nutrients away from my hair and just left it really like dry and brittle. Even though it cleaned it, it just wasn't doing it for me. And this is the product that was doing it for me, that was really helping me through that time. Because when I was first transitioning, I was also like highlighting and like dyeing my hair professionally though, so it wasn't that bad, but like still it definitely affected my hair. So for this to kind of like bounce my hair back, like I don't want to say immediately, but very fast, from me not even like, you know, having that healthy, like having like that really healthy hair, like this is really good. I think this product is something that isn't for every single person, but I do have products that are made 9 times out of 10 for like every single hair type. In this video, I do have products that I will mention, but this one, maybe not the thing that you really need to take away from this video, but something that I definitely would recommend just at least trying it out. Next, we're gonna get into conditioner. So this is like something that I was using like during my like earlier natural hair days, like when I was transitioning. This was something that like really worked for me, and I was using it as a regular conditioner, even though it is a deep conditioner. And I do have the conditioner of this, like just the regular like Aussie conditioner. I believe the 3-minute Miracle Moist is the thing that definitely like really helped my hair too whenever I was doing this, and like really found out it worked for me. And I've heard for, like, just for a lot of different hair types, this is something that's really versatile. It works for a lot of different people, so definitely something I would invest my money in, especially because you can use it as a deep conditioner or you can use it as a conditioner. And like the way that it really works out is because you're supposed to be able to use this, like let it sit in your hair for 3 minutes and then that's it, versus like other deep conditioners, I'll be like, oh, like you probably need to let this sit in your hair for like 30 minutes. But like, I mean, I definitely sat with this in my hair for like way longer than 3 minutes. Like definitely use this as like a real deep conditioner, which you can. And I mean, obviously if you do sit with it for longer, then it will work a little better probably. But all you really need is 3 minutes, and it definitely works for me. Like, let's say I'm shampooing my hair, put this in, and then like while that 3 minutes is going on, I'm like washing my body, like, or maybe like I'm shaving, like, you know, just doing something else, and then boom, just easily like wash it out. Is a good bang for your buck, because I would use this as a deep conditioner and a conditioner, especially if you're going through that time and your hair's a little messed up. It's like, instead of kind of wasting money on a conditioner and then a deep conditioner, it's like you can buy this and have both. Now, I definitely do recommend the other, like their regular conditioner. It's really good too. But like whenever I need a little recovery, this is definitely the go-to product. And definitely it's just something that's always really been good for my hair, and it's definitely something that really works for me. And I definitely feel like it would work for a lot of other people's hair. Just put that disclaimer in it right now. Like, just because it worked for me doesn't mean it will work for you. But this is something that I really like guarantee will most likely work for like everybody that uses it. Like, such a good product. Okay, so next thing, we're gonna get into the leave-in conditioner. And the leave-in conditioner that I use is the Garnier Fructis Active Fruit Protein Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner Cream. And what I gotta say about this is something that I really kind of discovered really late into my natural hair journey. Like, I probably used it the longest, I say like maybe like just making a year that I've been using this. I like it. I really can say that this is a pretty good product. I really like putting this in right after I get out the shower, like with my like doing my hair, like right after I wash my hair, I'll like, you know, kind of like let it dry a little bit, and then I'll put this in. And this is like the very first thing I'll put in my hair like after I wash it. It's not like one of the top things you need. If there's anything in this video that you really like, that I'm really like, yeah, you really need it, it's not necessarily a thing that like saved my hair, did anything like crazily, but it's like, I feel like it's something that's really good and really good to have a leave-in conditioner. And this is a good leave-in conditioner to me. So here we are back with another Shea Moisture product. And what I have to say about this gem, this is definitely, y'all already know, my natural hair people already know, it's definitely an oldie but a goodie. I was really using this the very beginning of my transitioning with my hair, and this was probably like the first product that worked for me at all. Like, out of like, this is like when I was just trying to start natural hair products. I didn't know where to start, and you know, I picked up a few products, and like I had a friend that was already transitioning ahead of me, and this is one of the products that she recommended. This is, like I said like earlier with like the conditioner, this is one of those products that work with everybody's hair texture. Like, this is like one of the ones that like I've really never seen like people be like, oh my god, like, you know, this didn't really work for me that much. Like just look at the consistency of this. It's so pretty. Like, I love stuff that kind of like has that kind of like wet look to it, because I kind of, to me, like, that's just the type of stuff that my hair likes. I can't do stuff that kind of has that like lotiony feeling, because it will not do well with my hair. Like, I need something that has a little wetness to it, because that's what my hair likes. My hair is naturally drier, like on the drier side, so it loves, like, especially if it's damaged or anything like that, it's gonna soak up any type of like moisture. And this is the moisture that it loves. Like, my hair cannot get enough of this. I use this when I style my hair, and I'll just put this on like right after I do the leave-in conditioner cream. Like, this is something that I will put in after. Okay, so next, this is something that all my natural hair girlies know. Like, I feel like a lot of people done messed with Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. This is something that I feel like a lot of people have used. Like, if it came in a bottle like this and it's from Miss Jessie's, 9 times out of 10, I have used it before. I've tried each one. This is like their OG one. This is like the one that has always worked for me. The Pillow Soft Curls is something that is also, I feel like, a really good versatile product that like a lot of people use on their hair, and like they really like this one. The only problem with this one that I will say, it is the most expensive out of all the bottles, and that is, I will say, another reason why I have tried some of the other bottles, because I'm like, you know, it's a little expensive. And for me, like, I'm someone that likes to use a lot of products, so out of like all the other products I've shown, I usually, like, it takes me a little second to run out of it. The other products I've shown you already, and because I feel like they give you like a lot, and one of those people who use a lot of product in my hair, because like, I don't know, I just feel like, I don't say like a lot, but I feel like if it isn't like, you know, saturated well, then it's not like working. But I feel like not necessarily all the time with every product feel the need to saturate it. I definitely don't just use like a little drop. Like, I put a little bit when I section my hair off and put these different products in my hair. Probably out of all the bottles of, like, out of all the different ones she has, like, the consistency of this stuff, like, it's kind of like that wetness that the Curl Enhancing Smoothie has, and some of the like consistencies of the other bottles are kind of like stickier, so either like kind of have my hair in a more like sticky type of feeling, or it may have the curls a little more crunchier. But this is like, they're just, you know, pillow soft curls, girl, like pillow soft curls. Bum, bum, bum. Yes, this is the product that you need. Like, if you are going to go get any product for your damaged hair, your hair that you want to kind of like, you've been kind of straining it, or like you really haven't been taking care of it, or you just feel like your hair is just off, like something about your hair is just not working out right, you just want to get it like healthier. Even if your hair is healthy, you just want to keep it healthier, make it even healthier. This is what you need. And this is back from the beginning when I was transitioning. And I'm gonna give you a little tip on how I use it as well. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It's intensely smooth and nourish natural hair, chemically processed hair, or heat styled hair. So yeah, I'm gonna give you another little look at it. And y'all, when I say consistency of products is, oh, it's kind of embarrassing. So when I say consistency of products is something that I really care about when I'm looking for products for my hair. The product needs to look like this for me. Like, it needs to have some kind of like wet moisture look for me to be like, okay, this is something that's gonna really work with my hair. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner, or you can use it, sometimes I use this as a deep conditioner, honestly, and I will end up like washing it out. I'm gonna tell you like how I do that. So basically, like, I'll put this, like a lot of it in my hair, and I'll braid my hair up and kind of like will walk around and leave my hair like that. And like when I put like a lot in it, it'll be like just nice or whatever, and I'll wash it out. And yeah, like I'll put like braid my hair into like two braids like that, like braid onto my scalp, and I'll just wear it, walk around, do my errands, do whatever I gotta do. It is a leave-in conditioner though, and I always kind of refer to this more as a deep conditioner. And like, just because the only thing about it though is like, it is, being that it is so like kind of like has that wet consistency, I don't like to overdo it sometimes, like especially if I have a lot of other products in my hair. I only maybe put like a little bit of this in here, but like a little bit of it in my hair. But I like to use this as a deep conditioner actually. But usually like it's a good price wherever you go get it. I just love it. And it's another thing about this one, sulfate free and color safe. And that's another thing for me, because I do use color in my hair, so you know, it's not gonna mess up the color, which is another thing like I personally like. Definitely this is the holy grail. I'm putting you on. If you take anything away from this video, please get this product because it's something you definitely really need. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you want to see any more natural hair videos, just let me know in the comments. And you know what to do. Like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And I will definitely have some more videos coming soon. And if you want to be updated, then you can also put that notification button on and be updated anytime I have a new video. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys.